I just want to talk about this leaf right here, or this flower that's as bright and beautiful as the sun. This right here is called the dandelion flower. There's plenty of them back here, but the dandelion flower is probably one of the most nutrient dense plants in America, if not the world. These are the flowers and plants that we've been told, or at least I've been told all my life, to kind of stay away from, kill those weeds, because that's what they've been known as, the dandelion plant and the dandelion leaf. Kill those weeds at every cut and corner. For anyone that's had or has any heart conditions or liver conditions or adverse liver conditions or heart conditions, hypertension, clogged liver, the dandelion flower and the dandelion leaf can help to heal the heart condition. And you can look all this up. I mean, any botanical professional or any herbologist will concur with this fact of how effective the dandelion is and has been for thousands of years. So the next time that you see these, instead of getting the Roundup, as we've been told, pull those plants out and use them. Actually, I use them in my smoothies quite frequently, or when they're in season. And they're great. They're great. And they're nutrient dense, which is why they're so effective. Again, the dandelion, there's plenty of them here. Plenty, plenty, plenty. And they're great. They're not weeds. They're not the horrible, these horrible weed plants that certain agricultural companies have told us over the years, for decades, for generations. It's not the prettiest looking thing right now, but I'm gonna clean all this up in a minute. But first, I'm gonna pull a lot of these dandelion flowers, and I'm going to use them as part of my regimen that I do as a health practice. As you can see, more bees there doing what they do. This is nature doing what it does best. As you can see, the bees. Again, this is nature doing what they do. And again, for those that have liver conditions, heart conditions, the dandelion plant and the dandelion flower is to be considered as the crows fly by. But yeah, consider the dandelion flower and the dandelion plant for healing. Think of it as a healing remedy versus this horrible poisonous plant that we've been told for generations. We can't keep being afraid of nature, but are so quick to go to the synthetic medication, the pills. Nature is precious, as we see a butterfly. Oh, it just flew away. There it goes over there. Don't be afraid of nature. Don't be afraid of nature. Embrace nature. It's been here for millions of years, as opposed to the synthetic medication that's only been part of our way of living for the last, 125 years maybe. So medicine as we know it, I know people that have been on heart medications or liver medications for 10, 15 years, and they're still not healed. They're still not healed. Now, why would anyone still have heart conditions or liver conditions or any other major organ conditions for 15 to 20 years after taking their prescription medications? It's a question that we may want to consider, because there are remedies out there that can and have and will heal the human heart and the human liver and all other vital organs. There's plenty of things of nature that can and will heal. And again, you can go and ask any herbologist or any naturopath or anyone that specializes in botanicals, and they will tell you that these flowers and plants and leaves are some of the greatest remedies for healing, and it can't be disputed. When you know nature, it can't be disputed. So just consider something different for healing.
For nutrition and wellness counseling, choose Kennetic-Fit and Wellness. Mental attitude first.